Bournemouth to Swanage. Evenings, Rancho Pier, supposed to be 2:48, but that'll be 5 to 3. Service afternoon, 14:11, HF09, FVS. Oh, I will. See you someday.
I've been on the bus.
Yes. We've got a room as well. Okay, that's Stone College.
Yeah, but this when we are all around Swanage, that's always very beautiful stuff there.
Yeah.
Not only the well look at the well can look, also you see all the footage, just the one stuff like this.
Yeah. Oh, look.
This yeah.
Like in Libraries.
Yeah, outrageous, exactly. It's a shame they don't see the sea from here.
No.
Lamb cherries as well. You don't see the sea, but I have not let you put view. How will you view?
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's so well looked after.
Yeah.
That's why I say the journey itself is when you can do that, go back again, you know.
You don't get fed up.
It's really so relaxing. From Morebus to Lambeth by train, how do you say Southampton?
To Libraries, yeah. And then you go to Salisbury, and then get a train on the Exeter line.
There's been 2 changes.
Yeah. Right. So 3 changes.
3?
And then you get a bus from Exeter to Libraries, you know, the Jurassic Coast bus.
And then you got to go to train station.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's a long. I went down to Libraries when the trains had a special offer before a new year from Southampton for £13 return.
1 3.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
Yeah, when they used to do that because I used to
Yeah.
use that as well.
London,
The
so-
special offer, yeah.
I didn't know you then.
But even when I know you're going to use that special offer, I don't know why they stopped that. It was very interesting.
You used to fill the trains as well.
She used to come from London for £10. It's a shame. It's always like that. They create good thing like that, then they cancel it.
Stop it.
Everybody used to use that a lot. that church is doing in conservatory. No, you see, I was.
I suppose the wedding reception is set up for tomorrow.
What?
The wedding reception is set up for tomorrow, Saturday.
Yes. Yeah. All they do that with Eve, don't they? But the only problem, you pay that from today.
Not against that.
Remember gold. If you work the gold, you will pay that from the day when they set it up. This is not fair.
Yes, there's a couple of against that.